All right, welcome back. This is my capstone from Dev Mountain. I was in the cohort F25 in the Python specialization. I'm about to show you my debt dismantling project. This is a full stack application made with Python, Flask, Flask-SQLalchemy, Flask-WTF forms, HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. Once you get here, you can go into the register page. I've already done that to save us a little bit of time. So let's go ahead and log in. We'll get the logged in successfully. We can do the overview or add a debt. Let's go ahead and add a debt. This is where you can enter in your monthly budget, your loans, your debts, your credit cards. It'll put them into 3 separate tables, technically 4 if you include the budget amount. And then we'll include all of that on one page on the overview, and I'll show that to you in just a minute. Luckily, with the help of Bootstrap, it made it so that the page was super responsive, and then that way, even if you're on your phone, it'll make it so you can get in there, no problems. So let's go ahead and add a loan super quick. And then just to make this simple, I'm just going to go ahead and select today's date for both of these. We'll come back over here, was added to your list. Add another, let's take the credit card. Now, if you can see with the credit card, it doesn't actually ask for a minimum payment amount. That's because the minimum payment amount changes with your credit cards. So let's show you what happens. Okay, so we've got the monthly budget overview here. As you can see with the credit card, it'll actually calculate out what your estimated minimum payment is, which is super nice, especially if you don't know what it's going to be. It'll show how much your total owed is, as well as your total minimum payments for each month, and it puts your monthly budget over here as well. It's really nice too, because if you see something, you're like, oh man, you know, that credit card that was actually supposed to be $8,999. Let me go ahead and get that updated. Updates it here, updates it on the back end and into the database and everything else. Super nice. Updates the minimum payment. Everything reflects that. You can delete it if you want. Let's get that one out of here. Let's get cloud out of here. Let's even get other out of here. Everything goes completely smooth with it. It gives you status updates as you go through every bit of it. And yeah, figured I'd keep it nice and minimal. Thank you very much for checking out my debt dismantling project. Take care. Bye-bye.